I know that you just want to get in and get out, but we are at the mercy of the lawyers. You ask for a court-appointed lawyer. We acquiesce to you. We wait on the lawyers to get here. That's what we're waiting on. We're not keeping you here just for the sake of keeping you here. It's you wanted a lawyer. We are at the mercy of waiting for them. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your other option is you can go hire a lawyer. So you tell me, you can stick with the lawyer or you can go hire a lawyer. But I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Yarbrough, we don't play games here. There's a certain way that we conduct business. There's a certain amount of respect that we like. And I'm going to tell you this is not a revolving door. If you miss court, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond. I'm not going to give you another PR bond and you will be stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much. I want my community safe. Do you have a cell phone?
No.
Etch, do you mind getting the number so we can? Or
Judge, June 16 or 17?
Mr. Antolin, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Honor. June 16th, please.
Okay.
The bond condition that we've placed on him is he's not allowed to go back to any TJ Maxx. I'm going to chat you the phone number now. His cell phone number. Give me 1 second. This is Mr. Antolin, who's been appointed to represent you. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. His number will also be on the paperwork and on the reset. So you need to get a hold of him within 24 hours of you guys leaving here. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, do you understand? Come on.
Get the bond.
Yeah, they're ready to be signed too.
Yeah, what's your name, sir? Sorry.
Yarbrough.
You got it? Yeah.
Hi.
Question, Judge.
Shoot.
Would you accept a probation on a DWI first?
Of course.
Okay.
The only thing that I think is certainly inappropriate is when you continue to pick it up and then it continues to be the proverbial time served. I mean, it's just, you know what I mean? But other than that,
Yeah.
really.
Okay.
Your Honor, I have that phone number. Thank you.
Okay. We sent him out. So I guess, do you have anyone else?
No, sir, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay. Good luck.
Thank you.
Thanks. Okay. Who's next?
Bottom of 10, except for Raymond, that was right there.
2501.
And then top of 16 for Wilson, you found no PC. Are we expecting a non? Is that the theft?
Yeah, that's that theft.
I think we're probably gonna.
Huh?
I think I'm gonna talk to Chiefs. Okay,
That's the
I'll
one
put it on
from
Monday. Okay, it's the one with the value. Judge, bottom of the 20. I'm waiting on the council to show up. So roll this one all the way to final it up. Are you gonna want to vote that or?
What are you talking about?
Godfrey?
Shut the hell up. He bonded out and he picked up more cases. Shut the front door. No way. Oh,
Judge, I don't know that he ever bonded out. I think he's just been,
oh,
custody.
was it a jail fight?
That's what I'm thinking.
Godfrey?
Oh, I recognize that name.
Say it again?
I recognize the name.
Sure.
The new case is from April 3rd.
Yeah, what, was it a jail fight? What happened? He didn't get out, did he?
Oh, it was a good fight.
Oh, it looks like PC's been found. I guess you could roll it till Monday, you know? I don't have you.
Well, the issue is we rolled it all week, and since he's finally here, if you're gonna look at it or not, I don't.
No, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not doing anything. Yeah, because remember, the bonds are set at 50,000 as it is now. He never,
You never
Yeah.
got out.
no, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4. He had the 4 cases, picks up the ag rod. So because of that, I don't think he ever got out.
Okay.
Remember, Alan always wanted the bonds to be lowered.
Oh, Alan just responded, he said he's pretty low now.
Okay. Oh, I forgot. I didn't even see you there, Louis. Thanks. Are you ready?
I'm checking. Yeah, for sure.
Still haven't signed.
Sign it on the kiosk.
Sign only the. So what is this? And then I was doing,
Munford left without signing his bond conditions? I guess.
That shouldn't even.
I told him not to leave without signing it and he left.
His only sign is no driving affidavit, and council took him out and talked to him, that was the last thing.
Okay, 5,001.
Yeah, he did.
What? Okay.
Alan's here, he's talking to God.
Oh, wonderful. They're bringing him out? Have you read the report on Mr. Godfrey?
I followed into the end.
Oh, sorry.
Who, Munford? Oh, wonderful. Great. Okay, yeah, bring him in. We'll have him sign, then we'll leave and get him out. Okay, so no. Hey, they're gonna bring him out.
Yes, sir. Do you guys have a mask? Doctor indicated that I was feeling sick.
Oh, wonderful. Maybe 2?
I'm down.
2 or 3?
How are you doing otherwise?
Like regarding these or these.
So, yeah, no, so repeat offender, no drugs, no alcohol. It's a year suspension. Yeah, I'm gonna, yeah, 1 year suspension. I'm gonna hit him with the fee. Is he wearing shorts?
I had to give them back. Think from to you, Judge?
No,
Want here?
don't.
No worries. I get the earliest you said possible.
Just a second. Yes, I can print it out.
Don't come in shorts again, Mr. Munford.
I'm aware I have to give my pants back to the person that gave it to me.
All right, it's gonna be June 16th.
You now stand charged with number six, is it number 6? Is that what this is?
Recorded, and everywhere I have to appeal for a press recording,
Yes, Your Honor.
that's too long. I have a baby on the way, I don't have my
That's the
license.
date they're-
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Come on.
But they can always come and talk to the judge off docket for whatever reason it is.
I'm going to court and get yelled at for what I didn't do.
That way. Wait, I'm going to get your signature for the statement conditions, but we'll go ahead and sign it. I'm pretty good, all right.
This is actually very long.
Yeah.
All right, so Mr. Escobedo, you're charged with driving while intoxicated. Second offense, you're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. You have worked out an agreement where they are now reducing it to a DWI first offense. However, it's still elevated to a Class A misdemeanor because of the high blow. Is it true or untrue that you had a breath test of a 0.15 or above?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, I'm going to find that that allegation is true. You are giving up the right to a trial, right to compel witnesses to testify on your behalf, confront and cross-examine your accusers if you're not a citizen. There are possible immigration consequences. You can be deported, excluded from the country, denied naturalization. You give up the right to appeal. Once you accept this agreement, you are stuck with this. You also need to understand something that we don't, as judges, don't have to take plea bargain agreements. They can recommend it. We do not have to accept it. We can always send someone back. You can either work something else out, or you can set up a trial. Understand that in the line of business that we are in, when we go too easy on people, what happens? It's a rhetorical question you don't have to answer, but I'm giving you perspective of why we do what we do. And when the slaps on the wrist continue to happen, then I just don't think it really benefits anyone. This is why we do what we do. The agreement you have worked out is you are skirting any jail time today, but I'm putting you on notice that if you think that you can continue on this probation like you were while you were on bond, you're sorely mistaken. If you have one positive for alcohol, I can amend your conditions to put you in a rehab facility in the jail. And I'm going to tell you now, we looked yesterday, just to get a bed in the facility is a 3-week wait. And then you go to the facility where if you respond well to treatment, it's a minimum of around 9 months. If not, you could be looking at a 1.5 years in the rehab facility. Do you understand? While you're on probation, your life is not yours. It is subject to the conditions of the probation. And if you think that you're just going to, for you to complete this successfully, you must do a repeat offender DWI education class, 2 victim impact panels. You must also do a TRAD. This is an evaluation to see what are the conditions you need. If they assess other conditions, you must fulfill them. No breath test refusal. If you are pulled over and an officer asks you to submit a breath test while you're on this probation, you must do it. No alcohol, no drugs. You must maintain a guardian interlock and 25 hours of community service. If you fail to live up to this agreement, you're signing a contract now. If you fail to live up to it, I will issue a warrant for your arrest. You will go back to jail, and I'm going to bring you right back out, and we will have a hearing to determine if you violated this agreement. And if you do, you were looking at 1 year in jail. Do you understand? I have a myriad of resources available to me in the event that you violate these conditions. And there are those that you're not going to probably be very happy with. You and only you hold the keys to this cell. Do you understand? How do you plead to this offense? Guilty or not guilty? Are you guilty of this offense? You also need to understand one more thing, Ms. Escobedo. You look relatively young, what, maybe late 30s, early 40s. For the rest of your life, your record, whenever you get pulled over, if you even have the faintest smell of alcohol, the next time you were looking at a felony offense, a minimum of 2 years, a maximum of 10 freaking years in prison. Do you understand? Do you have any clue what they would do to you in our prison? Is there any, oh, I have to suspend your license. I'm going to suspend it for 1 year. Did we miss anything? Okay, all right. Good luck to you. Okay, thanks. Hold on. Hey, are we done?
Yes, Judge.
I'm gonna cut the live stream. Hold on.
You're gonna what?
I'm gonna cut the live stream.
Right here, the judge is doing something crucial that a lot of people miss. He's slowing everything down on purpose. No defendant present, no bond decision. Why? Because bond isn't just about money, it's about risk, criminal history, behavior patterns, and even how seriously someone takes the court all factor in. And here's the real question for you. Should someone be able to get a bond set without even showing up? Or is the judge right to hold the line?